Hello everyone. If you keep facing this error on YouTube, audio renderer error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying audio renderer error without restarting your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here command, and then you're going to right click on command prompt, click on to run as administrator, click yes on here, and then you're going to put both of these commands in. So first you're going to put this command in, and after that you're going to put this command in. And once you put both of these commands in, your Windows audio service will restart. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser again. You're just going to refresh the tab. And here you can see the video is working. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.